Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at the MIUI 11, which is the MIUI.EU for our Redmi 5 Plus or the Redmi Note 5. So without wasting more time, let's start. So guys, MIUI EU is a better version of the MIUI which provides a really great performance in battery. Also it has a lot of tweaks made to it, so it makes it really better. Also, as you can see into the app drawer, like the default home screen, there is no separate like the debloated apps and all, so it is fully debloated, which makes the experience really better and gives you more storage space. So guys, before going further into the ROM, let's take a look at the about device, and this is the Redmi Note 5, which is the Redmi 5 Plus single variant, and I have the Indian variant of course. Let's go to all specs, and as you can see it's running still on 8.1.0, and yeah, hopefully Android Pie there will be no update because Android Q is already out. Q has been pushed to many devices, so yeah, Android Oreo is the last one for our Redmi 5 Plus, and we have to see how can we use that properly and utilize the MIUI versions now on our device. And also we have the latest, not that latest, but yeah, still 1 October 2019 security patch. And yeah, I have the 3GB variant, so it says 3GB, and yeah, that is the internal storage space with all my data and all and status. Also the kernel is pretty old, I don't know why they don't upstream it, but yeah, still that's great. As is MIUI 11, you will get all MIUI 11 stuff. As you can see, the new settings UI, it looks really sleek. Also the icons are really good, and not much darker icons are used, light and fainter icons are used. As you can see, the violetish, the middle lightish violetish color, and the MI logo is also not that orange, but yeah, a little bit lighter version. Now let's go into lock screen, and as you can see, lock screen has this all of the same features, but yeah, I can see some of the features have been given into here, and we have the wallpaper carousel and all, and yeah, I have just like disabled it because it like has as ads and all that stuff. Then pocket mode, launch camera, side panel, shortcuts, lock screen, clock format. Then we have the display. Oh sorry, it's going to display, and as you can see, this is the UI. Now there is no dark mode here, so yeah, that may be a missing stuff, but yeah, you get all of your normal stuff here. Also you can download fonts maybe. And then we have sound and options, sound and vibration options. As you can see, the UI, it's really great and it looks really good. Also this is the yeah, the animation is same, but I see a little bit color difference here, but maybe it's because of the color stuff used in this ROM or maybe something like that. Also this yeah, it does not directly get, you have to just drop it. So this is something I feel like if you want to like literally just press here and mute the calls, you cannot do it, so you have to manually do it with this or like from here. Yeah, that's the only options. Now let's move towards the notifications, and as you can see, we have this new menu in this new information UI and all. As you can see, notifications menu, you can enable disable notifications here. Then home screen, all the home screen stuff is there. -1 screen is the screen where the Google feed is, so you can just choose app vault or Google, and if you don't have Google installed, then you can choose app vault or none. Yeah, that's easy. Global search provider, global search, you can swipe up and you can disable that too, maybe. Yep, you can disable that or just head to the search bar. Then we have here home screen settings, shake to fill empty cells, so you can shake and fill empty cells. And then we have memory status, so if you want memory status, it will be shown here. Yeah, and then we have blur app previews, and we have show suggestions, which I would like to disable because I don't want your suggestions. Then going into wallpapers, and you can check if there are some new wallpapers or kind of stuff. So system wallpapers just 4, I don't know if it's, but yeah, this was present earlier, so yeah. And it says live wallpapers, so yeah, I don't think, okay, so this is how it works. Let's see, let's set it up. Let's unlock the phone. So yeah, that's it, that's the effect. So this is just effect. If you like it, you can just yeah, you can just set that wallpaper, and yeah, here your themes, I don't know, but this one is a default theme here, and this is only in MIUI EU ROM. I have tried MIUI 11 normal ROM, and then your normal security and password stuff, everything works fine. Additional settings, and you have this full screen display. Yeah, the full screen gestures which you were already using, and yeah, they work totally fine here. As you can see, it works totally fine. Then going into button shortcuts, we have this button shortcut: turn off screen, turn on torch, then launch camera. Then you can just choose it accordingly. One-handed mode we also have, and then changes into a 4-inch screen. This is okay, but we don't have this physical buttons. I don't know, you can also switch to using buttons instead of full screen gestures. Okay, let's see how it does not work like that. I don't know how it works, but you can check it anyways afterwards. The notification light, light up when charging, blink light, and we have the normal stuff. And screen time, and this is something new I got in MIUI 11, and it is really great. It will tell you the screen time in usage, so this is really great. Device screen time limits, and you can just set screen time limits, and then you will receive a notification that you have crossed your limits, so just use a phone and limit. And special features, we have game turbo, so you can enable this while playing games, and MIUI is the best way you can play game on this device. Actually, if you have a 3 GB RAM, then the best thing is to play games on MIUI 11 or MIUI any version. But MIUI.EU is a really great drop down, debloated and really great version of MIUI 11, so you can use that. Quick replies, you can enable quick replies for these apps. So also if you download any apps from Google Play Store, they may show up if they support. And you have this MIUI lab as always, find photos in gallery, and AI preloading. That's it all for this MIUI 11 stuff. Also, we do get the MIUI camera, of course, and it's the normal camera, so the camera will work fine. This is not a custom ROM, it's just a MIUI based ROM, so the camera works fine. Also, we have the square, panorama, and all stuff. We don't get the portrait mode, as this is just a single camera, and this is MIUI ROM, not a custom ROM. So and guys, that's it. And my intention to make this video was because if you are a Redmi 5 Plus or the Redmi Note 5 Indian user, then if you want to upgrade to the latest MIUI 11, just don't go to get the latest official ROM. Just download it. Download this ROM, which is the MIUI EU ROM. It's a really better version, really debloated version. And if you literally have a 3 GB RAM device, it feels really smooth instead of using that bloated version and all that stuff. Also, it has a lot of tweaks to make the performance better and the battery life. And that's it. I hope you guys really like this video. Press the like button if you haven't yet, and just subscribe if you haven't yet too. Also press the dislike button and share your opinions and your stuff, your whatever you want to, in the comment section. And that's it. Bye bye. I hope to see you guys in my next videos too, and bye bye.